Explanation of how to deposit and withdraw in Otet. To make a deposit or withdrawal, simply follow these steps. After logging into your Otet account, click on Funds from the menu. Then choose Deposit to make a deposit or Withdraw to make a withdrawal. On the deposit page, start by selecting the required currency. Please pay attention that if you want to deposit or withdraw using cryptocurrencies, you must select USDT. Some users mistakenly choose USD, while crypto withdrawals are only processed through Tether or USDT. After that, choose the appropriate payment method. Then, after selecting the payment method, choose the required blockchain network from the available options. At Otet, the following blockchain networks are supported: Arbitrum One, Avalanche, BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, Optimism, Polygon, Solana, the Open Network, Tron. This gives users greater flexibility and makes it easier to choose the right network for deposit and withdrawal transactions. After selecting the blockchain network, your wallet address will appear based on the network you selected, and you can then make the deposit either by copying the address or by scanning the QR code. If you already have a previous record of deposit or withdrawal transactions in your wallet on Otet, your wallet address will be saved automatically. However, if you want to make a deposit or withdrawal through a different blockchain network, it will be necessary to update your wallet address in Otet through the Payment Details option, in line with the blockchain network you wish to use. To do this, click on Payment Details, then change the blockchain network, and after that, click Save. Once these steps are completed, your wallet address will be updated, and you can then copy the new wallet address and paste it into the wallet you want to deposit from. To make a withdrawal, click on Funds from the menu, then choose Withdraw. After that, first select the wallet in Otet that has a withdrawable balance available. Then choose the required currency, specify the withdrawal method, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. After that, enter the blockchain network, the wallet address you want to transfer the amount to, and the name you want to assign to it. Finally, click Send Request. At this stage, a message containing a confirmation code will be sent to your email. Enter the code sent in the designated field, then click Continue. After entering the code, your request will be successfully registered. You will also receive an email confirming that the request has been recorded. Important note: when making deposit or withdrawal transactions, you must make sure that the type of wallet address matches on both the sending and receiving sides. For example, the wallet address on both ends must be on the same Tron network for the transaction to be completed correctly and without any issues.